Hi, we from the Capgemini team have worked on the use case which analyzes the workload of the machines. Sooner or later, an overloaded machine will be prone for maintenance. In order to reduce the cost of maintenance, we have developed this application which will help us to analyze the workload of the machine. With the effective usage of data deluge generated by the machines, workload of the machines can be analyzed and overloading of the machine leading to increase in the life of the machine. Timely notification and dynamic dashboard of the machine usage can reduce the occurrence of the failures. We have used the GE manufacturing APIs to develop this application in a short period of span. Now, I would like to invite my team to demonstrate the application's features and functionality.
So here you see the dashboard where we are providing the three-point view of the machines, the production and the downtime overview. Now for building this application we have used the GE manufacturing APIs wherein you can see this first card which shows all the machines performance in a particular line. Now you can see the availability percentage, the performance rate, quality, OEE and performance rates. Now as you can see, we have this following cards for the three-point overview of every single aspect of this use case. Now we'll demonstrate. Now this production card which you see is the details about the production where you can create a production and also view the existing production about for which a machine is assigned a particular production. And this downtime card allows you to add a downtime and view whatever the machine is being overloaded and has been used above the extra hours. Now we'll demonstrate you the entire application flow starting with the machine overview. As you can see, the cards are made out of the data that we are getting from the manufacturing GE machine line APIs. In the screen you can see the cards which depicts each and every machine that is available in this particular line ID. Now as you can see the field called as machine state which has a toggle component. For certain machines it's been turned off and for a certain machine it's on. Now the logic behind this is this all machine are on maintenance and only one machine is available for production. Now we'll get back to the dashboard screen. Now as we say about the production, we'll move to the production screen and we'll see whatever the functionality is available over here. Before we go to the production details, there's one thing we haven't noticed over here, which says get downtime details. Let's check what the functionality is all about. Now, as you can see the screen which says a drop down for selecting a machine, and in the other hand you can see the performance and OEE percentage are the attributes of the machines and the production quality that they provide. Now on selection of a machine you will be able to see the data related to the production for each machine. Now this is the data that is available for this machine which has been assigned a production, and above you can see is the performance for that particular production. You can see the data is being changed according to the machine that you have selected, also the performance rates. Now as I had initiated the production screen earlier, we'll be continuing with the production screen now. Let's see the functionality over here. These are all the production that we have available for these particular machine IDs. Now you can even check whatever the production is allocated to each machines. Now, in case if you have to assign a production to any particular machine, you can see a button over here which says add production. Now here, now here we'll be adding the data for the field that will be submitted to the G manufacturing production API. The start time and the end times have been entered. Now the key logic here lies between the start time and the end time difference, which you can see what is the logic applied and the entire point of this use case. These are the extra fields that we have been providing for further analysis, which is not covered as of for now in the use case, but in future can be used for forecasting. Now, as I have filled the data, I'll be hitting the submit button and will be able to see a production has been assigned to a particular machine. Now you can see the data that we had added a production for the machine ID F1B0 is available and you can view it over here. Now, as if you see the start time and end time for this particular machine, you can we have kept a condition for every machine to not be working more than 8 hours. Now, if you'll see the difference in calculation, this condition has not been satisfied because it exceeds the amount of time a machine should be working. Now, for this particular thing, we have this card for you which says what all machines are overloaded, and you will be able to see those machines in this particular screen. So now we'll proceed to the screen. So, so now you can see the cards available, and these are all of the machines that are overloaded. Now you can see the production that we had assigned to this particular machine with asset ID F1B0 is available here because the start and end time makes a difference about more than 8 hours. So now we'll be creating a downtime for this particular machine. Now we'll be adding the reason for the downtime that we are creating. We'll be adding the start time from when to when the downtime the machine should be down and should be on maintenance. Now we'll submit the downtime information for keeping this machine on downtime. Now as you can see, the downtime submission has been successful and we have successfully submitted the machine with this particular ID for downtime maintenance, and now we'll be heading back towards the dashboard machine overview screen where you can see this particular machine has been turned off. Now, if we'll be heading towards the machine overview screen once again just to check the downtime that we had created for the machine EQP_4, if it's still on production, if it's still working, or is it on maintenance. As you can see, at the first thing we had seen the machine status was available. As soon as we provided a downtime for it, now the machine status is turned off. This was the application that we had created based on the use case that said that we'll be analyzing the downtime and downtime maintenance for a machine, which will definitely be useful for further forecasting in future. Now, for this application building, we have been using certain G manufacturing APIs, as in for the first card that you see here, which was the machine line cards, we had been using efficiency analyzer machine APIs. For production, we had been using efficiency analyzing production APIs, and following we used the efficiency analysis and downtime APIs. Hope you have liked the application and the core functionality along with the use case. We hope you have a good day. Thank you.